Okay, as you can see in the car over here, this is one that my student is actually working on. He's already got his bushings in the car, as you can see here. But what we need to do is we got to make our bushings for our car. Now here on this dragster, I've gone ahead and sand sealed it, and I took some wood glue and I actually pressed in these plastic bushings that we made on our 3D printer. And here you can see over here the 3D printer. This is a MakerBot. We have an array of bushings that are about to be printed off, and this is what they actually look like when we get them off the 3D printer. And from there we'll take and we'll press them into the car body itself. So we just come up here and we take it, we make sure our little wing tips are off to the side, and then we compress fit it in, as you can see as I'm doing right there. You can put some glue on it if you want, but most times these will just stay in on their own. But that's how we put our bushings in. Then I'll take an axle also, and I'll just take and I'll spin it to see if it works out. And this one here in the front, I've got it going in on both sides, and then I can just test out the wheel and see if it spins to my liking. This one actually spins pretty good. You can take a pencil, grind up the graphite on the pencil, or get some graphite powder, and you can put it into the axle and then shine your axle later. We'll talk about that later in the car assembly. But this is the goal we need to make, is to put a bushings in our car. And you can also make bushings that are a little bit larger outside diameter, and you can create a 1/4 inch bearing seat if you wanted to run bearings on your car. Okay.